For the last 2 years, we've experienced a state of perpetual summer. And it continues here in New Zealand. The weather is nice, but being outside is difficult at times because of the sun. We have to wait until it's cloudy, or when the sun is low, to work on boat projects. Every day, we make a rundown of what's left to fix. Our safety list takes priority, and it includes the rigging, the sails, the boom's gooseneck, and the replacing of the windows. Our wish list includes adding a winch to the mast, to install lazy jacks, to varnish the woodwork, and to redo our breaker panels. Ideally, we'd like to get it all done, but safety comes first. The first project of the month was to epoxy some holes on deck. Then, we climbed up the mast to start replacing our rigging, starting with the broken intermediates. We brought them to a rigger to have our new wires swaged. Next, we went around town to ask for quotes on acrylic to replace our windows. We will be removing the old ones next month. Aside from boat projects, most of our energy goes to finishing our game Markl. I've been doing a lot of animation, and Davine rebuilt the core structure of the game. We now have action replays. We have about another month of work ahead, but time goes by fast, and Pino always needs attention. Even if we are busy, we always take the time to cook delicious food. We bought some Thai peppers to make sambal. Because we don't have a food processor or blender, we used our mortar to grind the peppers down. Then, we mixed in some vinegar and salt, heat the mixture for a bit, and then processed the lot into jars. As always, thank you for keeping us afloat. Literally.